It's a big one. Whoa. It made a cracking sound.
50-yarder, I suspect. That would have been 6 on any ground on earth. What a sound it made. It just kept going. Huge. That's vicious.
It's another one. Same result, different direction.
His maturity. Well, he is now really.
From Harbhajan Singh. This he picked up the straighter one. Got the force, power, extremely good result. Excellent blow. 5 Harbhajan Singh. Go for another one. 3 of 3 balls.
3 fielders, 4 fielders on the onside, minding that fence, and a faster delivery round the wicket, and he goes for another. And with ease, clears it with ease. So that's 3 out of 3.
That's another one, 4 of 4. Yes, he's got it. Coupled it. Well, another record for Shahid Afridi. First time ever that first 4 balls of an over has been hit for 4 sixes. Absolutely magnificent hitting.
Unbelievable is the word. Truly unbelievable. This is a test match, mind you. 602 for 5 now.
Another one that's gone in the air. This will test Anil Kumble. Will he get there? No. It escapes him. Shahid Afridi will take a couple of runs and he's disappointed. He was aiming for the 5th.
Well, he was fortunate that he wasn't out on that one. That's a miss hit that landed inside. And once again, the fielders couldn't quite reach it. So, one more ball to go. Shahid Afridi 89.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।